Hello everyone, we are sharing technological news for you. We always try to bring you new and accurate news. Subscribe to our channel to not miss the technological news. Now let's move on to our video. Snap announced Wednesday it's rolling out a $3.99 per month subscription plan for Snapchat that unlocks exclusive and pre-release features. It's called Snapchat Plus. The announcement comes after Snapchat gave a disappointing sales outlook for the current quarter when it reported first quarter results in April. Snap CFO Derek Anderson said at the time that macroeconomic conditions like supply chain disruptions, labor shortages and inflation are impacting advertising, Snap's main source of revenue. Snapchat Plus could help the company diversify its revenue sources, though Snapchat's Senior Vice President of Products Jacob Andrew told The Verge that the company doesn't expect the plan to become a material new revenue source. Shares of Snapchat were down about 1% at 11 a.m. ET on Wednesday morning. The Plus plan includes pre-release, experimental and exclusive features such as pining your close friend as a BFF, best friend forever, and customizing the app's icon. It is intended for the most passionate members of Snapchat users, the company said. Other social media platforms have also rolled out subscription services recently. Twitter in 2021 announced the Blue subscription that offers ad-free access to other websites for $2.99 a month. Chat app Telegram introduced Telegram Premium in June. Snapchat Plus launches Wednesday in the United States, Canada, the United Kingdom, France, Germany, Australia, New Zealand, Saudi Arabia, and the United Arab Emirates. Thank you all for watching our video. Don't forget to turn on the notification alert after subscribing to be notified of upcoming videos.